Let's get down to it with a pro trader, Nick Santiago, president and CEO of In the Money Stocks. Nick, good to see you. We want to do some best trades and worst trades with you today. Let's get that baddie out of the way. What was your worst trade of the year?
As a trader, it's a humbling business, and I have to say my worst trade was a trade in Cooper Software, C-O-U-P. I got into that stock, and in about a little over 2 weeks, it dropped by about 14%, and I had to take the loss. So that was by far my worst trade this year. I've had a lot of successful trades, not many losers, but that was my biggest loss.
What went wrong, Nick?
Well, I'm not really sure. I just think that sometimes when you enter and you believe you're getting in at a good level and the market goes against you, overall, it was just heavy tech selling at that point in time. And I think a lot of the cloud software names just got dragged lower, and that one was a victim. So by far my worst trade this year. Not a big, terrible one, but it was the worst I had.
What about your best trade or trades?
So I had two of the best trades. One was in natural gas, and about, I believe it was a little less than 2 weeks, we made 18% total. What I like to do is I like to take two portions of a trade. I like to take a first half off the table very quickly, and I let the second half run. So my second half on that position was well into the over, I believe, about 25 or 26%. And then I had a great trade in silver. As you know, I'm a very big fan of silver. I took about 20% in that as well. So those two were pretty much my best trades this year for swings. Now in options, that's a whole different can of worms, Ange, but swing trading wise, those are my two best.
Well, what went right with those trades?
Everything was set up. You know, if you remember, even on your program, when I was in early September, late August, I said silver was going to be a big runner. I also liked nat gas right around that time period as well in October. And, you know, they really, both of those commodities took off to the upside. And I played them via the SLV, which is a simple ETF for silver, and the UNG, which is an easy ETF for nat gas. And, you know, both worked out right. But it's all about the charts. If you could find the charts and you could find where the perfect levels are for institutional sponsorship, that's how you make the money in this business.
We wish you more best trades. Thank you so much, Nick, for being here.
Thank you so much.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.